Jai Hind everyone. So today we discuss on very important topic, that is rational number. So in rational number we'll discuss how we can get rational number present between two rational numbers. That means we learn to find a rational number between two given rational number. So first, suppose x and y are two rational numbers. How many rational numbers? X and y are two rational. X and y are two rational numbers. So now our question is, in between these two numbers there will be different types of different rational number will be present. Okay, there will be different rational number will be present. For example, in between 2 and 7 there will be different rational numbers are present. What are they? 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, if I give 1/2 and 7/2, in between these two also different rational number will be present, like 1/2, 2/2, 3/2, 4/2, 5/2, 6/2. So between two rational number, these two are rational number, and between these two rational number different others rational number are present. Between these two rational number different other rational numbers are present. That we have to find it out here. Now sometimes in a question it is given that find one rational number present between 2 and 3. Find one rational number present between 2 and 4. What are the rational number present between 2 and 4? 3. Yes or no? So similarly, we have to find a rational number present between two rational numbers. So sometimes in question we will get find a rational number. Sometimes we will get find two rational number. Sometimes we will get find three rational number. Sometimes we will get find four rational number. Okay, in that way, so different questions will get. So let us take few examples and try to solve the sums based on this topic. Example number 1. Find a rational number between 1/3 and 1/2. You have to find one rational number. You have to find one rational number or rational number. Only one rational number present in between 1/3 and 1/2. So what we'll do, there is a formula. If x and y are two rational number, then to get the one rational number, what we have to do? 1/2 x plus y. Okay, we have to add these two and we have to divide by 2. First we'll add these two and then we'll divide by 2, or we'll multiply it by 1/2. So to get a rational number, what we'll do? These two will add 1/3 plus 1/2 and we'll multiply out here by 1/2. See, 1/2 into x plus y, here similarly 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 1/2. So now 1/2, so let's solve this one first. Find out the LCM of 3 and 2. It will be 6. You know, 3 into 2, 6. So 6, 3. It will go 2 times. So 2 into 1, 2. 2 3 is 3 times, 3 into 1 3. So 1 by 2 into 2 plus 3 5 by 6, 5 ones are 5, 6 2 2. So this is how we can get a rational number present between 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Now simple things, remember this: if x and y are two rational numbers, then what we have to do? We have to add these two and multiply it by half. Either you multiply at front, either you multiply at back. Both the case answer will come same. Example number 2. Find two rational number between minus 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 4. So to get the answer, we have to find two rational number. So at first I'll write 1 by 2 and then minus 3 by 4. Now you see the denominator in both the cases. First 2 is there, in second 4 is there. So we'll make the denominator same first. To make the denominator same, we'll multiply it by bigger number, little bit bigger, not by the smaller one, okay? At least it goes in 2 digits. So what I'll do, I will multiply here by 8, okay? 2 8s are 16, and if I multiply here by 4, 4 4s are 16. So here what you have to do, if I am multiplying by 8 in denominator, numerator should also multiply by 8. So minus 1 into 8 8, 2 into 8 16. So similarly here 4, the numerator also 4, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Okay, so we got here 8 by 16 and 12 by 16. What we will see? Denominator are same. Now let's write the statement: minus 1 by 2. Therefore minus 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 4 can be written as minus 8 by 16 and minus 12 by 16. Okay. Now last step is, what do you see? Denominator are same, minus 8 and minus 12 are there. Now in between these two numbers, what are the numbers present? So here in between these two numbers, minus 9, number present between two rational number, minus 9 by 16, minus 10 by 16 and minus 11 by 16. Then I'll get minus 12. 8 and 12, in between is 9, 10, 11 and then 12. So 9, 10, 11. Three numbers will be present and denominator will be remain same. Now therefore the required two rational number are minus 19, 9 by 16 and minus 10 by 16. You write only two rational numbers. We got the three, but you can write only two because in questions we have to find only two rational numbers. Next question. Find six rational number present in between 3 by 8 and minus 1 by 2. So same way you have to go 3 by 8 and minus 1 by 2. 3 by 8 and minus 1 by 2. Now we'll make the denominator same. So multiply it by bigger number. So we need 6. So what I will do, I will multiply it here by 3. Okay, 8 3s are 24. That means here I have to multiply it by 12. 2 12s are 24. So let's see how much we get. 3. 3 3s are 9. 8 3s are 24. Here by 12 minus 12 by 24. So what we'll see? Denominator are same, numerator are different. So right now 3 by 8, therefore 3 by 8 and minus 1 by 2 can be written as minus 12 by 24 and first 9 by 24 and minus 12 by 20. So numbers present in between these two rational number between 9 and minus 12. You know, now as we know, 12, then 11, then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1 and so on, minus 2, minus 3, and we'll get here minus 12. Yes or no? So 9, okay, no need of this. 9, 8, 7, if I go this, then I will get somewhere a minus 12. So what we'll get? I can write, so in between these two rational number, what will be present? 9, that means 8 by 24, then 7 by 24, then 6 by 24, then 5 by 24, then 4 by 24, then it goes 1, 4, 3, 2, 1 till minus 12. So therefore 6 rational number, the required 6 rational number are 8 by 24, 7 by 24, 6 by 24, 5 by 24, 1, 2, 3, 4 by 24 and 3 by 24. Now last step what you have to do, we have to cut. If it can cut, you can cut. 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24. That is 1 by 3. After that, this cannot be cut, so same way, keep it same. This 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24. 1 by 4. 5 by 24 cannot be cut. 4 1s are 4, 4 6s are. So 1 by 6. Then 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 1 by 8. So this is how we can get the 6 rational number present between two given rational. So whatever questions are there, either you have to find 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you can go by this method. You will get all the answer. The method will be same, only the number will change. Thank you.